Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Jotform payment forms connected to no-code databases, full guide step by step clearly. To set up Jotform payment forms connected to no-code databases, begin by creating an account on Jotform if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the Jotform form builder. Click on the Create Form button to start a new project. Choose the Start from Scratch option for full customization capabilities. Select Classic Form to create a multi-page form or a single page. Now, locate the Add Form Element button on the left side of the screen. In the Marketplace, find the Payment section to choose your preferred payment gateway. Select a payment processor, like PayPal or Stripe, and drag it into your form. Configure the payment settings by entering your account credentials and options. Add form fields to collect necessary customer information. Customize each field to fit your needs by clicking on the field and adjusting the properties. To connect your form to a no-code database, go to the Integrations tab. Search for your preferred no-code database service, such as Airtable or Google Sheets. Follow the prompts to authenticate and link your Jotform account with the database service. Map the fields from your Jotform to the corresponding fields in your no-code database. This step ensures that all submissions are recorded accurately in your database. Once integrations are set up, preview your form to ensure everything appears as intended. Test the payment process by completing a dummy transaction. This helps verify that payments are processed smoothly and that data is sent to your database. Adjust any settings or fields as necessary based on your testing experience. Finally, publish your form by clicking the Publish button. Share the form link with your audience or embed it on your website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.